In this lesson, we will learn how to draw shapes made of connected points, polylines and polygons. Polylines are simple paths, while polygons define closed areas. We can create a polyline using Google.Maps.Polyline object. To draw a polyline, we pass an array of coordinates representing each point along the path. Here is an example with 3 points across New York. We also need to pass the map object. Let's try it out. This creates a straight line connecting those 3 points. Polylines can be styled with color, thickness and opacity. Let's set the stroke color and stroke weight. This version uses a red line with thicker stroke for better visibility. Now let's create a polygon using Google.Maps.Polygon object. A polygon is similar to a polyline, but the path is automatically closed to form an area. And let's pass the map object as well. Let's reload the page. Now this produces a triangle shape connecting 3 points. Polygons can be styled with both border and fill options, just like circles and rectangles. Let's add a stroke color, fill color, and set fill opacity, the transparency of the shape. Give it a try. And we have this green triangle. We can also make these shapes draggable by setting this flag to true. Now I can move this polygon around. In this video, we explored polylines and polygons. With these, you can highlight paths like roads or hiking trails or outline specific regions on the map.